Make the most of those teachable moments with the Promethean Annotate app. It allows you to add annotations over anything displayed on your active panel screen. The toolbar is easily dragged anywhere on the screen and remembers the last location in which it was docked. It will return to that same location the next time it's accessed. The Annotate app allows for different point sizes for the pen, highlighter, and eraser simultaneously. Tapping any color dot allows you to choose a color from the presets, while using a long touch gives you access to a custom color picker. Using the undo and redo buttons allows for quick corrections, and the eraser allows you to erase a small bit of annotations. Tapping the trash can will clear all existing annotations. At any time, tap the I button to exit Annotate mode. This allows interaction with anything on your active panel. Tapping the I button once more returns you to Annotate mode. From the Annotate toolbar, you can quickly take a screen capture. And finally, tapping the X will close out the Annotate app, but not before you're asked if you'd like to save your annotations.